Welcome back to JK Network. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a web server on Ubuntu. So the first thing you need to do is open up Ubuntu and check for updates. So with the command sudo apt-get update, and then type in your password. And once that finishes, we're going to install the package with the command sudo apt-get install Apache 2. Now that we've installed the web server package, we're going to have to start it. So you go sudo service Apache 2 start. And you can see that started it. So let's go ahead and check the status of it with sudo service Apache 2 status. And you can see right there that it is running. Now, how to check to see the default web page, you just got to go to your browser, go to this, and just type in localhost. And you can see right here, it's our default Apache 2 web page. And if you wanted to change it to with your own web page, you just got to go to this file right here. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.